Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're learning colors with the Paw Patrol. This is Chase, and Chase is wearing a blue hat. This is Rubble, and Rubble is wearing a yellow hat. This is Marshall, and Marshall's wearing a red hat. This is Rocky, and Rocky's wearing a hat that is white and green. This is Everest. Everest is purple, and her hat is teal. This is Zuma. Zuma is a brown dog, and he's wearing orange. This is Sky, and Sky is wearing pink goggles. Sky is going on the pink peg. Marshall's going on the red peg. Everest is going on the purple peg. And Rocky is on the green peg. What color peg should we hammer? Blue, orange, yellow, or blue? Let's hammer orange. Bye, Marshall. Now let's hammer blue. Bye, Rocky. Let's hammer yellow. Bye, Everest. Next, let's hammer blue. Bye, Sky. This pup's gonna fly. Let's hammer the red one to make Marshall with the red hat fly. Bye, Marshall. Chase has a blue hat and he's on the blue peg. We're going to hammer the green one to make Chase fly. Bye, Chase. Rubble has a yellow hat and is on the yellow peg. We're going to hammer the purple one to make Rubble fly. Bye, Rubble! Zuma is wearing an orange hat and is on our orange peg. Let's hammer the red one to make Zuma fly. Bye, Zuma! Everest is on the blue peg. Let's hammer the pink one to make her fly. Bye, Everest! The colors we learned today were blue, green, yellow, purple, orange, red, blue, and pink.
Hi everybody! Today we're at the farm and we are learning about numbers, animals, and animal sounds. Have fun!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're learning numbers, animals, and animal sounds. Let's look at our red barn. This barn has the number 1. There was a barn under it. This barn has the number 2. And look what was underneath. It's a barn with the number 3. We now have a barn with the number 4. This small barn has the number 5. And this very small barn has the number 6. And that is the last barn. Barn number 1. Let's see your animal. The animal in barn number 1 is a horse. What does a horse say? Neigh, neigh. What kind of animal is in barn number 2? Barn number 2 has a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. What kind of animal is in barn number 3? Barn number 3 has a goat. What kind of sound does a goat make? Meh, meh. What kind of animal is in barn number 4? Barn number 4 has a pig. What kind of sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. What kind of animal is in barn number 5? Barn number 5 has a sheep. What kind of sound does a sheep make? Baa, baa. What kind of animal is in barn number 6? Barn number 6 has a rooster. What kind of sound does a rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Uh-oh! Our animals got out of their barns. Can we match the animals with the number on their barn? What number is on the cow? Number 2. Can we put it in the number 2 barn? Number 2. It's the number 3. Can we find the number 3 barn? There it is right there. What number is on the pig? It's number 4. Can we find the number 4 barn? Here it is right here. What number is on the horse? It's the number 1. Can we find the number 1 barn? Here it is right here. What number is on the rooster? It's the number 6. Can we find the number 6 barn? Here it is right here. What number is on our sheep? It's the number 5. Can we find the number 5 barn? Here it is, right here. Okay, animals, it's time to go into your barns.
Good night, animals. Sleep tight. See you next time.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're learning colors with Disney princesses. We have Belle, and she's wearing a yellow dress. We have Cinderella, and she's wearing a blue dress. We have Snow White, and she's wearing a yellow and blue dress. It's Rapunzel, and she's wearing a purple dress. It's Anna, and she's wearing blue and purple. It's Elsa, and she's wearing blue. It's Ariel, and she's wearing a green dress. It's Aurora, and she's wearing a pink dress. Elsa is on the blue peg. Let's hammer the pink one to make Elsa fly. Bye, Elsa. Belle is on the orange peg. Let's hammer the red one to make Belle fly. Bye, Belle. Ariel is on the yellow peg. Let's hammer the purple one to make Ariel fly. Bye, Ariel. Rapunzel is on the blue peg. Let's hammer the green one to make Rapunzel fly. Bye, Rapunzel. Ariel is on the green peg. Let's hammer the blue one to make Ariel fly. Bye, Ariel. Anna is on the purple peg. Let's hammer the yellow one to make her fly. Bye, Anna. Aurora is on the red peg. Let's hammer the orange one to make her fly. Bye, Aurora. And Cinderella is on the pink peg. Let's hammer this blue one to make her fly. Bye, Cinderella.
Yellow!
Red bell pepper. Peach. Strawberry. Grapes. Pineapple. Orange. Kiwi. Tomato.